Turning now to the latest on the coronavirus pandemic, what you need to know on this Friday as you head into the weekend. Water parks allowed to reopen to the public just in time for summer, but they have to follow some strict guidelines, masks for all employees, and enforce social distancing. Before you and your family head to the parks this weekend, we do have some safety tips to keep in mind. First, you want to make sure you keep an eye on those kiddos. Make sure they're always within your sight to avoid any problems. Also, it's going to be hot, so make sure you pack that sunscreen and drink plenty of water. And be sure to follow any guidelines in place at the water parks, especially the new rules involving social distancing. It's a big day for the class of 2020. Congratulations, graduates. We have several schools graduating their seniors today. It's going to look a little bit different, but still their accomplishments we're so proud of. So here's a look at some of those ceremonies. Nederland ISD ceremony is tonight at 7 o'clock at Ford Park. Vidor High School's graduation tonight at 7:30 at Vidor Stadium. And Lumberton ISD's graduation is tonight at 8 o'clock at Raider Stadium. For more information on these ceremonies, head to our website, 12newsnow.com. We're so proud of you guys. Coming from Beaumont ISD, staff members who work at Smith Middle School, Guess Elementary, Jones Clark Elementary, and Martin Elementary have all have tested positive for COVID-19. The district has already notified employees who they may have come in contact with. They did not specify how many employees have tested positive. The district has also closed the Martin Elementary and Guess Elementary lunch distribution lines until everything can be disinfected. State and local leaders rushed to finish testing for all of the residents and staff at nursing homes in Texas. The governor wanted it done within 2 weeks, which hasn't happened. Monday was the deadline, and according to state reps, only 59% of the testing has been complete. Our region, though, looking a little bit better. Judge Jeff Brannick says Port Arthur has finished testing. Beaumont is planning to wrap up sometime today. The state is expected to release the test results based on region, but not individual facility. In Hardin County, some good news. More than 500 people were tested before the deadline, and health officials say all of those results, well, they were negative. We're quickly approaching the first of the month, and for many families, that means rent and bills are due yet again. And unfortunately, for those out of work, they're struggling to pay that rent. 12 News has learned there's no coronavirus rent assistance program, but folks here, well, they're fighting for it.
But just using common sense and look at what's going on around the world, we know that it's a.
The Beaumont Housing Authority says it has definitely seen an increase in people needing that assistance. The agency is seeing about $48,000 in delinquent rent across its 852 units. Now, the Beaumont Housing Authority says there hasn't been an increase like this since Hurricane Harvey.